Do you use a row machine when you work out? A lot of things do not get considered when using this machine. Check out these tips to help make this machine more effective and safer while you're using it for your workouts.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we're talking about increasing the effectiveness and safety while you're doing the rowing machine at the gym. Today specifically, we're going to be discussing where your arm is or shoulder position is while doing this exercise and how that might change the exercise for you.
So there are multiple potential arm positions that you could use while doing a row. All the way from elbows tucked in really tight by your sides to much more up closer to shoulder level. A lot of it depends on what exactly you are wanting to work from a muscle perspective, as well as the health and function of your muscles and joints that are involved in this motion. Sometimes getting the elbows up really high can feel pinchy on people's shoulders, in which case we'd recommend dropping the elbows a little bit lower, but dropping them lower will change the muscles that are targeted during the exercise. So the bottom line is, first and foremost, make sure the motion feels good for your body, for your joints, and then within the range that it feels good, choose a position that you want to move at based on the muscles that you're trying to target. Whether you want more the back of your shoulder, whether you want more your lats, or whether even you want to involve more of your triceps.
Next time you're at the gym doing rows, play with your shoulder position because not only can that increase safety, but it can also change what muscles you are challenging.